Gathered together in the moonlight, under the stars shining so bright, moving to rhythm of the drums, feeling the music in my bones, dancing to the reggae dance beats, feeling the vibes moving our feet. We come alive in this groove, letting our spirits just move. The bassline thumping, the vibe is right. We're lost in the moment, feeling so light. It's a celebration of life and love, dancing together high above. The energy is electric in the air. We're feeling so free without a care. Lost in the music, lost in the flow. This reggae dance on is where we blow.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm like,
No, I'm putting music, but this is good, yeah.
Okay. Alright, we're gonna go show. I'm not hurting you, Mama, because I got a pull.
No, you're good. I thought I would be crying,
No, I'm pretty. You don't know, I'm really good with natural hair. I'm that girl.
Cause I had perm when I was coming to you back then.
I need your help, because you got to show me how to do certain things, and I could use you as a model.
I got you. Especially when recording. If you have clients that's willing to record, I'll come in and do yeah.
Perfect.
And I'll show you how to edit while I'm doing it so that you could get your stuff back.
I like it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you a steam treatment. Complimentary. I won't charge you.
Thank you.
So how do you get YouTube to pay you? How does this work?
You get up to 10,000 subscriber. I'm at 7 something, so I'm trying to get back on track. Cause with school, I just stop and
How
go
do you
back.
manage all this stuff together? School and this YouTube, girl?
Yeah.
So that's your life then. That's it.
Yeah, that's
don't
it.
do too much.
I don't do too much.
Okay.
But yeah.
No boyfriend. You stayed away from the boys. That's why you're doing good. And I don't even know how to work TikTok, but apparently I got one video that's going viral. It's almost like 16,000 views.
That's good.
But there's not a lot of likes. It got like almost 200 likes and like 100 saves. And maybe like 30, 40, 50 shares.
Trust me, the more you post, that's how TikTok be. The more you post, the more like your videos are gonna. And even if at the time it don't get that much views, eventually, like when
It'll
you
keep
start,
going.
yeah.
When's your birthday?
December 26th.
Every morning when I wake up, I look in the mirror, feeling beautiful, confident, nothing to fear. Self-love shines from within, it's crystal clear. I'm embracing my flaws, my imperfections I hold dear. Loving myself every day, feeling so free, embracing my uniqueness, that's the key. Self-confidence radiates for all to see. I'm beautiful inside and out, that's the decree. Walking down the street with a smile on my face, feel like a queen in this beautiful place. Embracing my power with style and grace. Self-love is my armor, my saving grace. I want to wake up every day feeling this way, embracing my beauty, come what may. Self-love is the fuel that lights my day. I'll carry this feeling no matter what they say. Devagaden nan jè ou mwen yon fit solitaire. Nan ken mwen gen yon douleur. ki pa jom sispan fè mwen swete. Mwen santi tèt mwen peti nan labirint sa ki lele la vi. Mwen sel nan veye la, san piye pou mwen depose. Mwen tout bon vre, men lè mwen santi mwen konsole. Mwen voyaj nan zetwal, chache yon kay pou mwen depose. Mwen reve de brise tout cheme, ki kembe mwen toune tea. Pou m'tombe san espoir, mwen plas tèt li. Mwen soif nan sou kominote, mwen pa jwen kote pou m'pousse. Mwen santi l'ombray la toune, pou vre pitito la kon mwen. Boa tout otan ap chante, tristesse mwen tombe nan la science. Mwen gele l'royo, swa sa yo mache la. Mwen mande linye kampe sou mwen, pou ket fwa febles mwen. Mwen pa kapap fe fasad l'ombray la, mem si sere nan ken. Mwen chache la pli pou netwaye, diite nan kap sou ken mwen. Pou l'royo kapoute ken mwen, le mwen reyo nan ken mwen. We gather together in the moonlight.
Siéntate ahora, por favor. Sit down. How you say sit down in Creole?
Shita.
Shita? Shita.
Feeling the vibes moving our feet. We come alive in this groove, letting our spirits just move. The bassline thumping, the vibe is right. We're lost in the moment, feeling so light. It's a celebration of life and love, dancing together high above. The energy is electric in the air. We're feeling so free without a care. Lost in the music, lost in the flow. This reggae dance on is where we glow.
Can't really do it.
You can cut it?
Because the hair long. There's not much cutting. The hairs are already in layers for the length. You don't need no cutting. Maybe the dots, let me see. This is your hair right here. Nah, your hair long. Siéntate. Can't cut shit.
I wanted the layers so bad.
Yeah, see long. You gotta get like 30 inches.
Damn.
You get long in the front. We ain't no boy has scallywag. It's not your fault. It still have layers, but I know what you mean.
Yeah. I'm gonna show you that high school pictures when you did my hair. Cause the layers were there.
We gather together in the moonlight, under the stars shining so bright. Moving to rhythm of the drums, feeling the music in my bones. Dancing to the reggae dance our beat, feeling the vibes moving our feet. We come alive in this groove, letting our spirits just move. The bassline thumping, the vibe is right. We're lost in the moment, feeling so light. It's a celebration of life and love, dancing together high above. The energy is electric in the air. We're feeling so free without a care. Lost in the music, lost in the flow. This reggae dance on is where we glow.
You like it?
I do. I love it. Good. Princess treatment. Thank you.